Hello, in this video I will be showing you how to make Facebook profile picture private on iPhone. The first thing you need to do is open Facebook. Then you're going to tap on profile from the bottom of the page. And you're going to tap on your profile picture. Then you're going to tap on view profile picture. And in the top right hand corner you're going to see three dots. You're going to tap on the three dots and you're going to tap on edit privacy and you're going to select only me, then tap on done. After doing that, you're going to close out of this and you're going to scroll down. You want to scroll down, then you're going to select photos right here in the bottom right hand corner, left hand corner better yet. You're going to tap on photos, then you'll tap on uploads and you're going to select the photo that you have set as your profile pic and you're going to tap on the three dots. You're going to tap on edit privacy again and you're going to check if it says only me. As you can see right there, you want to ensure that it says that. Select this one again, tap on the three dots. Then you're going to tap on only me, then tap on done, and that's it. That's how to make your FB profile picture private. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.